Welcome back. Well, the United States is bracing for its darkest hour after its death toll due to COVID-19 surpassed that of China on Tuesday. More than 3,800 people have died in America, and the total number of confirmed cases rose to 1,84,000. With over 75,000 cases and 1,500 deaths, New York continues to remain the epicenter of the outbreak. New York City Mayor has in fact pleaded with the Trump administration for an additional 1,000 nurses, 300 respiratory therapists and 150 doctors by April 5th. The US government raced to build hundreds of makeshift hospitals to ease the strain on overwhelmed healthcare systems. More than 262 million Americans are currently under stay-at-home orders. US President Donald Trump has warned citizens of a tough 2 weeks and urged them to follow strict social distancing measures.
It's a matter of life and death, frankly. It's a matter of life and death. We're going to go through a very tough 2 weeks. And then hopefully, as the experts are predicting, as I think a lot of us are predicting after having studied it so hard, you're going to start seeing some real light at the end of the tunnel. But this is going to be a very painful, very, very painful 2 weeks. This is going to be one of the roughest 2 or 3 weeks we've ever had in our country. We're going to lose thousands of people.
And for more international updates or on the coronavirus outbreak, you can log on to our website, indiatoday.in. Do also download the India Today app. And remember to stay home, stay safe.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.